Alright, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to load a Citizen CL-S521 printer with a roll of Canada Post thermal labels. Properly done. This should take no more than a minute or less, and I will go through each step here for you and make sure that you understand this process properly. First things first, you open the hood of the printer. Here we go. And here you will notice the big black thing here, that's your print head. And basically you'll need to pop this open by clicking on the little blue lever right here. Once you've done that, you'll notice there's a little attached piece of, this is your upper sensor. Basically, this upper sensor is used to detect where the paper line is, this little line right here. And what you're going to need to do is make sure that this is all the way to the right, as far right as it goes. So basically it should be right in the middle, and you can't push it to the right anymore. And as well, the one on the bottom, you'll see there's a little black thing here with ridges. Same thing with this one. You need to put it as far to the right as it can go. Now once you've done this, I'm going to have to put down my phone here. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but you take your piece of paper, your roll, right here, put the, this is what you call your guide. Basically it holds the paper, and you put it through here like this, drop it into your printer, and this little rectangular piece right here, you need to make sure it's pressed as far to the left as possible, and it pretty much holds the thermal roll in position so it doesn't move around. Once you've done that, you unroll the paper, put it between the two sensors, so right on top of the lower sensor. You bring down the bar of the top sensor right here, and then close it all together. Snap the printer head back in place like this. You need to make sure also that the horizontal wheel right here is set at 9 and the vertical one right there is set at 1. And once you've done this, you should be able to click the feed button on your printer and it should align properly. One little thing I forgot to mention is that inside the printer you'll notice there's a little guide here as well. And you want this to be as close to the paper as possible. It will hold your, again, your paper in place and keep it from moving around. So once you've done all that, let's put that properly. You should be able to simply click the feed button again and it should automatically align. You're ready to print your labels.